In this video, we are going to see how to make triple crochet. So to start with, I'm going to do 8 chain stitches. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to skip 3 stitches from my hook. I need to insert on the 4th chain stitch from my hook. Before inserting, now I'll take 1 and 2 loops on my hook, and I hold it here to be secure, to keep the loop secure. While inserting, I don't want this to come off, so I'm using my thumb finger to hold these stitches in place, and then I'm going to insert on the 4th chain stitch, yarn over, pull a loop. Now as you can see, there are 4 loops on my hook. Now yarn over, pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through second 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Now 3 times we are doing the pull through of each 2 loops. This is what we call triple crochet. Again, take 2 loops on your hook, hold it securely, insert it on your next chain, pull a loop. It makes 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is what triple crochet. Now the another thing you need to keep in mind is, after you take a loop, whenever you pull through both the loops, this will make it little bit difficult for you if you keep it very tight like this. So I recommend slightly pull your hook a little upwards, so this will bring a little bit of yarn from here to make the stitch little bigger and smooth. So then you can again yarn over and pull through. Now this will make the stitches more easier for you to finish them. Now again make it a little loose and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This way you can make triple crochet on each chain. After finishing your entire row, to start the next row, do 3 chains and then flip over to start. So now I finished one row. Now before starting the next row, I'm doing 3 chain stitches, flip over, and then as usual take 2 loops and then insert into the stitch, first stitch, and then pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, sorry, take out, yeah. Now pull through remaining 2 loops. Like this you can start working and do as many rows you require for your project. In our next class, we will see how to make magic ring.